Hi there, I'm Shelley, Steps Behind the Camera.
Hello.
And today we're going to put a door in this wall here. The first thing we're going to do is remove the skirting board. We're then going to draw the door on the wall. Then we're going to screw this piece of wood to the wall so that then we can saw out the hole. As we built our house ourselves, we know that this wall isn't a load-bearing wall and we know that there's no electric behind it. We've sawed the door now. Now we know that here is a beam, so it means that the board is actually stable to the beam. So what we've got to do is ease it open from one corner and try to break it away. It might come out in one piece, might not. We'll see how we go. We're now going to remove this post. We're going to saw down the bottom and at the top, then remove the Fermacell that's on here. Once we've done that, we're going to fill the bottom in and the top in with some wood. Then we're going to put this post in here, in between the wall here, so that it's closed all the way around, and then we can take the frame from the door and start building the door. This piece of wood is going up here. This piece of wood, which was here, was part of the frame, is then going to be screwed into place here. That's why we've just made the holes for the screws. When that's done, when them two are into position, we've got here the piece of floor that's parquet flooring. It's going to be screwed into position, but you won't see that because the door will be actually over the top of the screws. As you can see, we've put the door frame in from the one side. From this side, we've got to use some foam, some building foam that's going to be put in here, and we're going to use some pieces of wood to fix it all into place. What we're also going to use is these boards. They're going to go in between just to make sure we've got the right width between each different part of the framework. To do this, we're going to use these pieces of wood, which we've put a little bit of tape round, and they're going to be stuck on here left and right. And here's the piece of wood so that you can see a bit nearer. We've just put some ordinary tape on it, and we're just going to stick these onto the door frame. The foam has dried for 24 hours and now we can remove these wooden pegs. Some of them we're going to remove. The ones at the top we're just going to saw off. The pieces of wood will stay in the door frame. We're also going to remove these pieces of wood and then we're going to add on the last piece of frame. That will be glued with wood lime into position, and when that's done then the door's finished and can be used. And we will see you in a couple of weeks' time. Stay to the end of the film just to see how we finish everything off. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.